Hi everyone, in this video we would like to show how you can disable, or should I say turn off, the restricted mode in the YouTube app on basically any Android smartphone out there. So in prior of me starting, let me remind you that we really recommend that you update both the YouTube app and the Android system in general. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and start. First we gotta launch the YouTube app, then go to the settings, which are located here. So just tap on the profile avatar on the top right corner of your screen, settings, general, and here at the very bottom you see that there is the restrict mode feature, and at the moment it is enabled. So in order to disable it, all you got to do is just alter the switch, and from now on the restricted mode will be disabled, and the YouTube will not hide the potentially major video as it states in the description of this function. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.